All right, some serious heat. Speaking of KENS Cares, going to show you another initiative this time of year that's one of our most important. You can see the rain over the southeast with Debbie. It's going to be a flooding danger for a lot of our southeastern neighbors. All right, for us, a bit of a hazy sun on a Monday. Here we go with a temperature of 96. It feels like 100, so that's not too bad. In fact, considering what is on the way this week, it's not bad at all. And it's because the dew point's down to 67. It's when you get that number over 70 that we get those heat indices upwards of 104, 105, 108, 109. Not the case today. We feel like 100. 102s are the highest out there. Pearsall, Cotulla, and Eagle Pass. Gonzales as well, 101 at New Braunfels, 100 San Marcos. It feels like 101 in Seguin. So please, again, pay close attention to your body. When the sweating stops, it's time that you call 911 because that's when you're going from heat exhaustion to heat stroke, and that becomes very dangerous. When the headache sets in, when your body temp goes to 103 plus, your pace of your pulse goes up because the temperature's going up for sure. Now remember, this is not a surprise. This is the hottest time of the year in San Antonio. It's always between July 30th and August 16th that we hit the highest highs with an average of about 96 to 97. So we'll finally get on the downslope of this in about a week, maybe a week and a half. But for this week, heat wave in effect. Remember, a heat wave is when we are at least 5 degrees above average for 5 straight days. And that's what's going to happen. As we go to 101 tomorrow, it could be feeling as hot as 106. Same on Thursday, but the air temperature's going up. So we're going to be hitting 102s to 103s to wrap up this week. And you can see 107 to 108 could be the heat index, especially on Saturday, just like this past Saturday, with the highest highs and the highest heat indices being recorded on the day that you're spending the most time outside. So that's why we have weather impact alert days Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the next 4 days. And it's between noon and 8. You've really got to be paying attention, especially between, say, 4 and 6, when we're hitting that daytime high and obviously the highest heat index as well. So make sure you're limiting your time outside and you're staying well hydrated. That most important KENS Cares initiative, Project Cool. Please bring a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station. With numbers like these this week, demand is going up. And if you need a fan, call the United Way at 211. So here's the dominating high that's not going to let up, taking the upper hand this week. You can also see Debbie racing up the East Coast. This is our next system. And you can see early that on Tuesday, August 13th, it's scheduled for the southeast Texas coast. Right now, it's only got about a 20% chance of developing, and if it does, it would be Ernesto, because Debbie obviously is current, and Ernesto is the next name on the list. All right, 14-day forecast time from the beautiful San Antonio Riverwalk. 100 tomorrow, but it'll feel as hot as 103 or 104. And then our weather impact alert days, because we're going to be hitting heat indices upwards of 105 to 106 for several days in a row. Obviously, no chance of rain underneath this high, just a chance of hot, dry weather that will continue even into mid-August. You can see the weekend of August 17th and 18th right now, highs around 100 with skies partly cloudy.